What's up guys, Todd Kelly, Shoe Shop Outdoors, and today we're going to show you how to sharpen a pocket knife. It's really easy to get a nice, sharp, durable edge on any pocket knife. Obviously, depending on the steel, most of them are going to be really easy to sharpen. I like using this little stone from Falniven. You can get it off Amazon, costs around $30 Canadian. Diamond coated on one side, ceramic on the other. We're just going to throw it in a little bowl of water here for a few seconds and then get started on sharpening it. You don't need to soak it for very long. The water is going to just carry away the metal filings as you sharpen, and it helps keep the steel cool. We're going to start on the diamond side here, and a really easy way to get your angle is start with your knife vertical against the stone, roughly cut that in half so you're at 45, and cut that angle again to 22 and a half. That's a pretty good angle. That's going to give you a sharp knife but durable. If you want it sharper, you can lower it down to a steeper angle, but it's not going to be as durable and you're going to have to sharpen your knife more often. I like the 22 and a half. The edge lasts a really long time. So we're just going to work the blade back and forth across the diamond side here, and you're going to put a fair bit of force down on the blade here. What we're trying to accomplish is we want to create a burr across the whole length of the blade. Just check it with your finger, and we just need a little bit more. And I can feel a burr across the whole length of the blade here. Just throw our stone back in the water. Now we're going to do the other side. So once again, 90, 45, roughly 22 and a half for your angle. And we're going to do this again until we create a burr on this side. And we've moved the burr over onto this other side here. So we're going to switch over to the ceramic side, and same angle, 90, 45, 22 and a half. And I like going from the tip to the heel of the knife. And we're just going to push that burr back over to the other side. And what we're doing now is just slowly breaking that burr off, and that's going to leave you with your sharp edge. When you're doing the ceramic side, don't push down very hard. You don't need much pressure at all. And we're just breaking that burr off. And the longer you go on this, the less pressure I put down, to eventually where you just have the weight of the knife running across this ceramic stone, and we just go back and forth with our angle. The more you do it, the more consistent you are with your angle. Feel across the edge, make sure that burr's gone, that there's no places where there's still a little bit of a burr. That feels good. Got a nice sharp edge now on it. I know this isn't technically stropping, but if the back side of the leather here, the suede side, I'll run it back and forth, and all we're doing here is any little fine burr that's left on the blade here, this will break it off so you have a really sharp edge. Do that a few times. That's all you need. And there you go. It's that easy to get a really sharp, durable edge on your pocket knife. Only takes a couple minutes to do here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave those on down below. Hit the thumbs up. That really helps the videos. And thanks for watching.